Hello DIYers, today we're doing an oil change on a 1997 Toyota Tacoma with the 2.4-liter inline-4 2RZ FE engine. This Toyota is barely broken in, as you can see here, but as a 27-year-old car, it's definitely lived a long and fulfilling life. All of the parts, tools, and specifications will be on screen and in the description below. Let's get started. The engine oil cap and dipstick are located here. We're going to loosen the dipstick and also the oil cap just to help the oil flow faster. And we're going to do all that before we lift the car up into the air. For these fast videos that I do in the shop, it's sometimes hard to ensure that I capture all the info a home DIYer needs, like where the lift point should be. So here they are here. While there are jack points, we're just using spots on the frame. And underneath the car, the drain bolt location is located here, and the oil filter is all the way up here. The drain bolt needs a 14mm socket, and I haven't yet worked on a Toyota that doesn't use a 14mm drain bolt. Leave a comment below if you know of any. And while we're here on the Money Shot, I'd like to take a moment to ask you to like, subscribe, and share this video. It really helps out the channel. And if you don't, that's totally okay, but thanks for considering it. And after the oil finishes draining, we'll put back on the drain bolt. Here, we're reusing the crush washer, but Toyota does recommend replacing it on every oil change. They're super cheap and like $1 each in a 10-pack. I'll have links in the description below. If you have a torque wrench, the specification for the drain bolt is 27 foot-pounds, or just slightly snug if you don't. Do your best to not over-tighten it. For the oil filter housing, there's just enough room to get a strap wrench in there. It's not really an easy fit, and when I was trying to tighten it and turn it off, I just didn't have the leverage to do anything more than like 1/8 of a turn, like you can see here. I didn't have my Motivix oil cap wrench that I usually have at home. The spin-on did look like a 64mm 14 flute, but don't quote me on that. If you have one, you might have better luck with it trying to get the filter off. But with a little bit of effort, it did come out. And make sure you let your car cool down so the oil doesn't almost burn you like it did to me here. One small note, make sure to check that the old spin-on's gasket didn't get stuck in the cradle. Looks clear here. For the new filter, we'll put on a little oil so that the gasket doesn't get stuck when we're spinning it on, and then all that's left to do is to spin on that oil filter. We only need the filter to be on hand tight, so like you see that I'm doing here with my greasy fingers, kind of just give it a good spin, and that's really all you need. Then we can clean everything up with a little bit of brake clean on the filter and on the frame. This Toyota Tacoma with the 2.4-liter inline-4 requires 6 quarts of 5W30 weight oil, at least here in sunny California. Toyota does recommend a 10W30 weight if you're in extremely cold weather. Any API-approved oil with the Starburst works. The owner here chose some fairly generic oil. I would recommend the Costco Kirkland branded oil if you're looking for cheap and good. We stopped here a little bit before the full 6 quarts just to not overfill, and as you can see here on the dipstick, we're right at the full line. We haven't yet turned on the engine to prime the oil filter, so we're feeling pretty good that the full 6 quarts will be good to go. And that's it. We'll end this video here. I hope you enjoyed this oil change guide for a 1997 Toyota Tacoma, the 2.4-liter inline-4 2RZ FE. Again, all the tools that we used, the recommended parts, and the specifications are in the description below. I'm Alan, and this has been a loop. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.
I'm gonna talk like Alan. So here we go. We're putting in 6 quarts of oil into the car. I can't do the voices. That's how you talk in the voiceover.
Over here. Hi, I'm Devin.
Oh, hi.
All right, I'm done.